Welcome back to the Learn DAX in 2 minute series. This is day 9 and we will go hands on with calculated columns and also learn an important DAX function divide. Calculated columns add new columns to an existing table. The values are calculated row by row and stored in your data model. Now we have different options to create a calculated column. In table view, go to tables tool and click on new column, or go to report view, go to modeling and click on new column, or in the table view, right click on the table and select new column option. Now give the column name, for example, profit equals to select sales column minus cost column. Press enter. This creates a new column profit. Now let's calculate profit margin. Type profit margin equals to select profit column divided by sales column. Press enter. It is showing minus infinity when sales is 0. So after column name, type divide opening parenthesis. Now the numerator will be profit. Select profit column, comma. In the second parameter, denominator will be sales column, comma. The third argument is the alternate result if denominator is 0. So here we will use 0. Closing parenthesis and press enter. Now the profit margin is showing 0. To change the profit margin value in percentage, go to column tools, select percentage in the format and change the number of decimal places to 1. Now let's see one more useful example. To categorize the products based on profit, go to table tools and create a new column. Type profit category equals to, if opening parenthesis, select profit column. If this is greater than 200, result will be high profit. If the condition is false, the result would be low profit. Closing parenthesis and press enter. The profit category column will show high or low. In the next video, we will learn about iterators, SUMX, AverageX, MaxX, which calculate row by row across a table. Stay tuned.